It's sounding off. I think it's rotating at 3 RPM because it's a SRNB and it's not. Those things aren't lying. Stop it. It's only been a. There's no kids coming outside, probably because it's too cool. It's muffled because the door's closed. Still, that thing is light. Okay, if a staff fucking tells me to. No.
Hi, bud. What you doing?
Hi, I'm just watching.
You are?
Yeah.
Does your teacher know you're out here?
Yeah.
Where is your teacher? Who is your teacher, I mean?
My teacher's Pope.
Mr. Pope?
Yeah.
So are you supposed to be all the way across the school right now?
Yeah, I had to take a bathroom break and then I heard this go off, so I was curious what was going on.
Oh.
Since the bathroom up there is closed, I just used this one.
Oh,
and I heard it
got
go
you. That
off, so I
makes
was
sense.
curious what was going on.
So do you think maybe it's probably about time to head back to Mr. Pope's class?
Yeah, since it's shut down, that's when it's time to get.
Yeah. Because he's probably wondering maybe where you are.
Hold on, let me just look something. There, okay. Thank you for looking out for me.
Okay.